Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope you are having a productive day. I'm just here, ndizoqala uchuku as always. I want to ask you, did you hear what General Mkhwanazi has said about immigration? And ndiyavuya that ifavorite yenu ithetha le nto ningayifuniyo. Ndifuna ukwazi uba nizamdisowna na uMkhwanazi after nimclaime kangaka. To General Mkhwanazi, we were living happy here as families, and then abelungu bafika bas-divide abantu bana this is Swatini, this is South Africa, this is Lesotho. Otherwise we are the same people, the same families. You know, they've done those, they've put those borders there to divide us. The likes of Mozambique, all these countries, the borders are there to divide us. Otherwise, we are the same families, we are the same people. Ndiyafuna ke unidlalela because niyandithuka kaloku. So ndifuna ke ukukhe ndidlale ifavorite le yenu. Akuthethi Malema ke ngoku, sekuthetha oMkhwanazi benu ke ngoku, because xa kuthetha uMalema umuntu uyaphambana sana. Kuphasala ke yonke into. So akhe siveni ke kuJeneral Mkhwanazi, ndifuna ubona uba nizawusithukana ke ukupha kwi-comments. Izolo nisithukile kaloku no-Uncle Musi. So ngoku ndize no-Lieutenant ngoku, the general himself. Ndifuna uyazi uba nizawuthini ke ngoku. Oh, I'm gonna fetch you one by one. Let's listen to our General Mkhwanazi.
Mfowethu ukuthi uyawazi umngcele South Africa ukuthi ume kanjani. Ngizocela nje ukuthi ngenihambe niyuvakashele umngcele South Africa ngoba sakhelene neMozambique, sakhelene neSwatini, sakhelene neSotho. So ngihambe ngibheke ukuthi le mingcele le ethiwe khona imingcele eyenziwa uhulumeni omdala. Kwavele kwafaka ucingo lolempoba. Lokho kusho ukuthi ngihamba iminyaka lelo cingo ugcina seluwo. Abantu bazinqolela, ngisho ukuthi ukhona locingo abantu bazihambela ngoba inomlando. Kuqhamuka emlandweni omdala la kwafika khona abelungu befika la eSouth Africa bafike bahlukanisa imindeni. Kwathiwa la sekuseSwatini, la sekuseSouth Africa, la sekuseLesotho, la sekuseSouth Africa. Manje mawuhlukanisa abantu bahlala endaweni eyodwa bakhelene kuyisizwe sodwa ufaka ucingo phakathi nendawo. Angeke uzobazazi ngoba kade bevele behlala khona befuya imfuyo zabo benza unkini. Yileso simo esibhekene naso nje. Manje seqhamuka-ke nabaqhama kude hayi la eduze basebenzisa zona lezo ndlela ukuthi vele abantu bahleli labakhelene. Abantu base-South Africa bathenga esitolo, bathengwa izinto bazithenga esitolo sase-Swaziland, bathenga isitolo sase-Lesotho, bathenga isitolo sase-Mozambique. Nabasemozambique njalo bathenga la South Africa ngoba bakhelene labantu bahlala endaweni eyodwa. Baphethwe inkosi eyodwa, baphethwe iy'nduna ezodwa, bawumakhelwane bayihlobo. So kuba inkinga-ke lo ukuthi ubone ukuthi kahle kahle imuphi umngcele la abantu mabehleli